Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's episode, I wanted to share with you guys 4 pumpkin snacks. Just to keep with the pumpkin theme, I thought this would be perfect. These are snacks that are quick, easy, and healthy. So if you guys like snack ideas, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So for the first recipe, all I wanted to do was create a very simple and easy pumpkin flavored yogurt. And for this, all I did was take about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt and mix a couple tablespoons of pumpkin butter. Now you could totally make your own pumpkin butter, but to make this super easy, I just used a Trader Joe's one and it's delicious. All you do is just give it a good mix, top it off with some pumpkin pie spice. I mixed it again and then added some more pumpkin pie spice on top. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious, and comes together really quickly. All right, for the next recipe, all we're gonna do is take that same pumpkin yogurt that we just created and create some frozen pumpkin yogurt chips with it. All you need to do to make this is pipe some of that yogurt in a sandwich bag, snip the tip, and do little drops of this on a baking tray. You freeze that for a couple hours, and that's it. You got yourself some little bits of frozen pumpkin yogurt. Delicious and super easy to make. All right, this next recipe could not be any simpler. All I did was take a rice cake, spread some of that delicious pumpkin butter from Trader Joe's, and then top it off with some pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds that I also got from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, if you're listening to this, please sponsor your girl because I love you guys. But anyways, this snack is so easy and again, so delicious. The last snack pumpkin recipe that I have for you guys is again very easy to make. All I did was take a bread crisp. You can find this again at Trader Joe's. I spread some cream cheese on it, sprinkled it with some pumpkin pie spice, and then added a tiny dollop of that pumpkin butter. And that's it. It's super easy, but something about the combination of all of this is perfect. So I highly recommend this snack idea. All right, there you guys go. Those are some very easy and quick pumpkin snack ideas that you can make for yourself or your kids, your family, anyone really, and they will absolutely enjoy it. So I love this season and I wanted to showcase some of the delicious snacks that I make for this season. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like pumpkin recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.